so we can get some time outside, because when we go on lockdown, then we can't come outside. All we have to do is homework, online stuff and everything.
Yeah, and we just call a little bit of freedom so we can enjoy what's left, you know. But the reason we're actually here is because we bought some birds, because unfortunately the previous bird we had a pair and the female one died, so we came back to search for a bride for our Alfinch, but we didn't find one. Yeah, unfortunately we couldn't find one, but instead we bought him a different type, but it's like from the same species. Oh, let me go on this side.
It's a different type of the same species.
You can't actually see them, but we bought 3 because he's very lonely and he looks depressed, so we thought making him happy. But yeah, we came out together to spend some more time outside as well, taking advantage, especially because it's such a nice day. And here we are. Let me see some fish here. It's very pretty. Here are my sisters and me. You can actually see some fish if you try hard enough.
They're so big.
Yeah, they're really long. This is almost like we're in a horror movie that we once saw about a zombie apocalypse.
Oh yeah,
Because of the virus, you know, that's what I meant. Like, it's almost like we're in a zombie apocalypse movie. Because everyone's gonna have to stay locked in their house.
yeah.
Sunny Anja, isn't it right what I'm saying?
Yeah. I'm almost scared to stay outside.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Alright guys, so that was it. We're gonna head home now and we're gonna film how we're gonna put our Finch's birds in the cage.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So we're about to home and we're ready to take the little birdie.
Hello. Oh, lonely in there.
He's on alone.
Go inside.
I'm sticking one. Okay, so just.
Oh, here he is. We got a little present for you, buddy. Okay, so should we start with the female ones?
Yeah. Oh, he's very excited.
I guess so, yeah.
Okay,
Which ones are we gonna start with?
I don't know, just bring
Any?
Yeah.
Okay, so
do we have scissors?
I think so.
I'm just gonna break the box.
okay, so I think it's the male one.
The box will open. Oh yeah, we have to be careful so it doesn't get out.
Sonny, open the door.
But the big one or the small one? Oh, yeah, just
Yeah. Here you go. Go.
These are the male
Okay,
ones.
so yeah, that's the male one.
Yeah, it has red cheeks.
Okay, so
Hope you didn't miss stuff right there.
look, you're so confused.
What?
Oh.
What?
Well, they're gonna be best friends.
Hope
Yeah, they
so.
are.
Okay,
They all like?
okay, are you ready? Okay.
Can I open the last door? Yay!
Oh, very good.
He's like,
Hey,
yay.
where's it going?
Last one.
That's the female one.
Am I gonna open the door?
If you want to, yeah, just wait. Oh my goodness.
So you open the door.
Eyes out.
Wow! Yay!
What's gonna happen?
Oh. What is it?
Wait, so just wait. Let me just call mom.
Please, give on.
Mom. Mom. Help us catch the bird, please.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh.
It just.
Can you just hold your hands up? Keep your hands up
comes
so I can. Was it in? Yeah.
Wait. Oh, there you go. Thank you, mom.
Maybe where should I put it in?
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
There you go.
That's all 3 of our birds. Let's put it back up.
Where is it?
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
There you go.
That's all of our birds.
One's on the floor. Somewhere. That's the end of our video. Are you guys excited? Yeah?
Yeah.
Stay safe. Make sure you're washing your hands. And stay inside. Just try to avoid any contact with people. Other people. And just hope that you don't get too bored inside your house. If you do, just find things that will keep you entertained. That's it from us, guys. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.